and welcome to another edition of Savor the Flavor Weekly Recipes with Youngevity. My name is Colleen Walters, and I'm going to walk you through an amazing chicken and sweet potato curry. I know a lot of people haven't cooked curries before, they're not sure how to do them, so I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a curry at home. So first of all, we're going to use ghee, okay? Ghee is basically cooking butter, let's say it like that. So we're going to use a little bit of ghee. You're going to get the recipes all on the download on our website. So we're going to use the ghee. We're going to, going to brown the onions. All right, so I'm going to put this on the pan in a little bit. We're going to brown the onions. And I'm going to add the madras spice right to the onions to give everything a beautiful, even flavor. And the madras is an amazing blend inspired by India. And of course it's got coriander, cumin, turmeric, garlic, a little bit of mustard, some chili, some black pepper, sea salt, fenugreek, which gives it just a beautiful, authentic flavor, ginger, sweet paprika, cardamom, cassia, and clove. So we're going to have a full meal, very, very rich, earthy curry. So come back to us and we'll start the rest of the recipe. Okay, we're back. The onions have browned beautifully. They're sauteed with the curry, the madras curry spice. Now we're just going to put the chicken in, give that a stir, and I want to tell you about this amazing sauce paste I made to go with this. So let me just stir these onions around here, get this back on the stove, and let me tell you about this sauce. Okay, so I hate jarred sauces. I absolutely don't like them. I think that they're full of chemicals, and I'm not really so much a sauce person. So if I'm going to have a sauce with something, I'm going to make it myself. So looking through some great recipes for some curries, everything was throw this jar of this and throw this jar of that in there. And I thought, you know what? I can make my own. So what I did was I took some coconut milk, some tomato paste, some cashew or almond butter. Cashew butter is more authentic. A couple of teaspoon of this. Threw it all together in the saucepan. I didn't use any ghee or anything like that. Just threw it all together and simmered it until it came out to the most amazing, rich, beautiful sauce. So you don't need to buy the jars of pasta sauce or curry paste. You can make it yourself at home. All right, we're going to come back to the chicken when it's done. I'm going to show you how to finish the rest of the recipe. Okay, now we're back. We've just browned the chicken, added the beautiful homemade korma sauce, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to thin out the sauce a little bit with some water, okay, and some cut up yam. Now what this is going to do, the water is going to help soften the yam there, and then a can of, now I've used little cherry tomatoes, but you can use chopped diced tomatoes, is absolutely fine. Now we're going to stir that all up. It's going to cook for about 20-30 minutes because you want the curry to be really rich and right through everything. Now what you're going to do at the very end when you take it off is you're just going to fold the spinach in. You don't want it to you want it to just basically wilt, and then you serve it like that. So welcome to how to make easy and quick but tasty authentic curries with Savor Natural Foods and Youngevity.